Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to pick random comments on YouTube to giveaway and many others. Okay, start. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So it is website which is calling Raffle Dash. You have link in the description. It is YouTube random comment picker, and here you may randomly find someone who posted a comment on your YouTube video. Raffle Dash for giveaways and contests. Okay, I will show you. So we need a choice video which we want. What a stupid slowly internet. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, I have this copy, and you here must enter the link of the video, and now you may click pick random comment. As you can see, congratulations too, you have, if you have more giveaways, for example, if you click start again, pick random comment. Okay, as you can see, and once again, nice, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time. Bye.